Welcome back to Infinity Learning. Today's video is on a subject I get lots of emails on, and when I'm running a time management seminar or workshop, this subject, believe it or not, takes center stage. Intrigued? What is the subject, I hear you asking? The subject is called Bit by Bit, the amazing power of 5 minutes. So, welcome to one of the most simplest and most powerful lessons of time control. The amazing power of just 5 little minutes. 5 minutes a day can absolutely change your destiny. 5 minutes a day sounds like so little time, yet it can bring success in endeavors you think impossible. It can improve your health, it can spark your relationships, it can exponentially grow your business, and it can launch your career. Simply put, 5 minutes a day can materialize your clarity. When I teach time and clarity management, the clarity part is putting everything into perspective. It's like pouring petrol on the spark of your goals. Now, as you're hearing me speak, a lot of you are thinking, yeah, right, that's absolutely impossible. Or if it was so easy, why isn't everyone doing it? Well, you're right. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. Why doesn't everyone, the question I pose to people is, why doesn't everyone reap the powerful rewards of 5 minutes per day? The answer is simple: human behavior. Sometimes the easiest things are the hardest things to put into action because of our established habits and self-imposed limitations. My goal, whenever I run a time management seminar or workshop, is to shatter your paradigm of what 5 minutes a day can bring you. Help you establish the areas where you want to enjoy and apply its benefits, and give you the tools to create the discipline to use it at least 5 days a week. Or forget even 5 days a week. You should be doing this 7 days a week. Now, I want to put the incredible power of 5 minutes into perspective for you. The paradigm I'm trying to get you to shift is that you cannot do much in 5 minutes. But applied over time, 5 minutes a day can have a drastic impact on what you want to accomplish and learn. Now, when I'm teaching this subject before an audience, I always ask a series of questions that help lead people to their own conclusions about what 5 minutes a day can do for them. Now, I use learning a language as an example. So, for example, let's say I want to learn Spanish. And I'm going to start learning Spanish on a Sunday. And within that Sunday, only for 5 minutes. So the first question I'm going to pose to my audience is, within that 5 minutes, how many Spanish words can I competently learn, be able to spell, and know the dictionary definition. Now, usually the number starts from quite high, so people in the audience will say, oh, you can learn 10 or 15 words in 5 minutes. And then I have to bring them back and show them perspective. In 5 minutes, how many words can I competently learn, know the meaning of those words, and know the dictionary definition, as well as know how to comfortably spell those words? Once I've given them the perspective, usually the number of 15 comes down drastically to 5. And I say, okay, 5 is unrealistic. Remember, we have to know what that word means. We have to know the dictionary definition, and we have to be able to know how to spell that word. So we get down to 3. Okay, 3 is a comfortable figure. So we start on Sunday. So within our 5 minutes, we learn 3 words. Monday, 5 minutes, 3 words. Tuesday, all the way through back to Sunday. So that's 7 consecutive days. It's taken us 35 minutes. How many words have we learned a week later? 21 words. So it's 21 words that we can recall. We know the dictionary definition, we know the meaning of those words, and we can spell those 21 words. So in 1 week, I've learned 21 words. If I continue every single day, 5 minutes, 3 words, how many words do I know at the end of the month? How many words do I know in 6 months? How many words do I know in a year? 2 years? 3 years? 4 years? 5 years? Now, I'm not saying I'm going to be fluent in Spanish, but my vocabulary for words is going to be quite high. Would you agree? And I'm only spending 5 minutes a day, but I'm doing it consistently every single day. My recall for those words are going to be high. My dictionary definition and understanding of those words is going to be quite a lot. That is the power of 5 minutes. We look at 5 minutes purely as I can't get much done in 5 minutes. But we don't look at it as it is a start, and if I consistently do this over a period of time, what I can accomplish greatly improves. It's now built into my routine. So, whenever I'm talking about time management, people will always say to me, I don't have time to do X. I call them up on it and I pull them up on it, not in a confrontational form of way, but challenge them to say, in an 8-hour day, there is 96 5-minute segments in an 8-hour day. So if you have to spare 5 minutes to do X, you have another 95 5-minute segments in an 8-hour day. So when we say I don't have time, that's not 100% true. What we really should be saying, but we don't, is what you're asking me to do is not priority. It's not that you don't have time, we clearly do have time, but it's not priority. It's not a high enough priority for me to do it now. That's what we really should be saying. So when we talk about time management and the amazing power of 5 minutes, 5 minutes by themselves in isolation is not going to achieve what you want it to achieve. But you have to change the paradigm. You have to look at this as a marathon and not a sprint. So if I'm changing my paradigm and I'm looking now at things with longevity, my outlook is completely different. Because if I start the ball rolling or start laying the foundations, and I keep laying those foundations every single day, I start getting momentum. Once I start getting momentum, and I've now built this momentum into my routine, I'm going to want to do this every single day. Because it's only 5 minutes. I'm going to look forward to doing that task because it's only a short period of task. I know I've got time on my hands because I'm looking at this as a marathon and not a sprint. And this is the beauty and the fascination about the amazing power of 5 minutes. Okay? What do you think? If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And also, if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you will be notified when I upload a latest video. Make sure you click on the bell icon so that that notification comes straight through to you, so you know I've uploaded another video. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now, and see you again on the next one.